Support removal. The method and sequence of dismantling the support structure should comply with the construction plan requirements.
Before dismantling the support, reliable load transfer components or backfill compaction should be set between the main structure and the support structure according to design requirements. When using mechanical demolition, the construction load should be less than the load-bearing capacity of the support structure.
When manually dismantling, protective measures should be set up as required. When using demolition methods such as blasting or static crushing, it must comply with the current national standards. During the support removal process, precautionary measures should be taken to ensure the safety of the main structure and the surrounding environment.
Working environment. During excavation of the foundation pit, the operating distance between two people should be greater than 2.5 meters. And when multiple machines are used for excavation, the distance between excavators should be greater than 10 meters.
Workers inside the excavation pit should have a stable and safe foothold.
When working in vertical intersections, safety isolation and protective measures should be implemented. When excavating within 2 meters of power, communication, gas and water pipelines, safety precautions should be taken and a dedicated person should be assigned to monitor.
During nighttime or when working in dim light, adequate lighting facilities and safety warning signs should be set up.